guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a little bit of a haul with you guys. I've got a big box right here in front of me and I thought, why not unbox it, film it and share it with you guys. So I have unboxed it already, just to have a little sneak peek, but I have a box here and it's come from L'Oréal Paris. I'm part of a collective with L'Oréal called Lorealistar, and you can complete missions by creating content on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, collect points, and the more points you get, you can tier up. When you tier up, they send you a little box of goodies, so you are able to make more content. You can also apply for little brand deals. Like, so far, if you have me on Instagram, I've worked with NYX, I've worked with L'Oreal, like Garnier, all of them. You can have the chance of working with them. You can also get invited to events, join masterclasses and just learn. Even just learning about how to make your content better in itself, like, I love it. I'll most definitely leave the link in the description box below, but I have just tiered up to my shooting star status, and I just thought I might as well unbox it and show you guys what you can get each time you tier up. On this little card it says, "Congratulations on reaching shooting star status. You are a true star in the making. As a reward for reaching this incredible status, please find inside an incredible product bundle worth up to £100. Make sure to check back in on the community to take part in your exclusive shooting star bundle mission. Keep creating awesome content to earn more points and awards. This is your time to shine. Just make sure to add the hashtag so we can see your incredible content. Love, the Lorealistar UK team." How cute is that? Inside, like, we have some full-size products up in here. The first product, I have the La Roche-Posay 50+ very high protection invisible fluid in its ultimate protection ultra long UVA SPF. It is the ultimate protection with ultra long UVA filter, very watery and sweat resistant, and anti-eye stinging and non-perfumed. I've heard so much about this online, but I've never actually purchased it myself. This looks like it would be so handy for travelling. Like, I love that it's just on the go as well, or if you're not travelling with it, you can keep it in your handbag. Like, it's just very, very cute and off to a fantastic start with this bundle. Next in this box we have the holy grails of all holy grails, and that is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water all-in-one for sensitive skin. I live by this. I use it every day. I love it. I just absolutely love it. If I'm feeling hot throughout the day, just get a little cotton pad, wipe through, fresh. Makeup comes off in one. Like, this is magic in a bottle. Like, I don't think anyone can understand, but just, if you know, you know. Next we have the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil Free Gel Cream, the 24-hour hydration and shine control for normal to oily skin types. I have oily skin and I've never used Kiehl's before working with L'Orealistar, and I love them now. Like, it's worth it. I promise you, it is worth it. Next, if I just put my hand in the little goodie bag, we have La Roche-Posay again, and it's the Dermo Cleanser. It's cleansing and makeup removal fluid for face, eyes, and all types of skin, and it's fragrance free. It's like another micellar water, but a lot milkier. I've never tried this. I haven't really heard much about it until now, so I can't actually wait to try it out, see how it deals with my skin, if it makes me break out, if it makes it better. Like, I love trialling skincare I've not used or never heard of before. Like, I love it. Next in this box we have the L'Oréal Paris Revitalive Filler Hyaluronic Anti-Wrinkle Serum. I love this. I worked with the campaign for this a few years back, the hyaluronic acid campaign. It was so fun. Honestly, I had the like shampoo, the conditioner, the whole skincare set, and it's stuck with me ever since. Like, I just love it. It's the only thing that's properly worked well with my skin. Like, I use this daily. Like, literally, I have a tiny one right here. And now it's like a little family. Second to last in this box, I have the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser for normal to oily skin. It cleanses and removes oil without disrupting the protective skin barrier of the face and body, and it has 3 essential ceramides, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, and this is also fragrance free. I feel like this could be really good for like sensitive skin. Like, if you, it's like that fragrance sets you off. Like, they've smashed this box so far. I've not used CeraVe cleanser before. I've used the moisturizers and they worked wonders on my skin. So to potentially have another staple in my skincare, I can't wait. Finally, I saved the best till last, and I'm not even joking when I tell you this. As soon as I opened this box, I was shocked. Like, the Lancome Hypnose Volume Mascara. I'm sorry, what? I've never been around like this much, like this high-end makeup before, and to be actually sent it to try it out, to show my thoughts and my views and everything. Like, even the little bottle. I've got to show you the wand, like right here, right now. We're doing a haul. We got to really get up in there. Like, that's so good. I love a good mascara. I have quite long eyelashes and they're quite thick, so when I try and curl them, they literally go up for like 2 seconds and then fall flat again. Or with mascara, I put it up and then they're like nice and curly and then they just fall flat again. I'm hoping this mascara makes them stay up, because it's Lancome. Like what? Just work with L'Oreal in its sense, and even be sent like the all packages like that. So that is the end of the haul. I'm so grateful, feel so lucky. I've been sent such amazing pieces and such stunning skincare. I cannot wait to share with you my reviews properly, and if you go over to my Instagram and my TikTok, this will most definitely be there. I just wanted to get you guys in with the haul first and the whole box all together. I'm stunned. She's well and truly stunned. I will also be leaving a link down below to apply to become a Lorealistar. You just need to have 1,000 followers on Instagram, and if you have that, you're in. I feel so lucky that I'm able to create this. I feel privileged to be able to give creators watching this a chance to work with L'Oreal. Like, come on, we're not gatekeeping over here. Thank you again, L'Oreal, for my goodies, and thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a pleasure yet again to film for you, and stay tuned for another video.